Hello students, today we start a new topic from chapter 10 electric current. So topic is resistance. So the definition of resistance is the obstruction in the flow of current. In the circuit, current is flowing. So if any obstruction or any hindrance means you are any resistance means any resist for flowing the current. Current is not flowing very easily. You are providing some resistance to the current, some hindrance or some obstruction to the flow of current. So this is called resistance. And in Ohm's law you have seen V equal to IR. In Ohm's law you have seen V, potential difference, equals to I into R. So from here R equal to V upon I. So another definition of resistance is the ratio of potential difference to the current is called resistance. Unit of resistance is Ohm. Symbol of resistance is this. You will make this symbol like this. So in circuit, if any current flows and you resist that current, you obstruct that current, then it is called resistance. Okay. Now what is 1 ohm? What is the definition of 1 ohm? See, resistance depends on voltage and current, and both are 1. See, volt is 1 volt and current is 1 ampere. Then resistance is 1 ohm. So simple definition of 1 ohm is when a current of 1 ampere is passed through a conductor or wire and the developed potential difference is 1 volt, then the resistance of the conductor will be 1 ohm. So for calculating the resistance as 1 ohm, you will need 1 volt voltage, 1 volt potential difference and 1 ampere current. So this is the definition of 1 ohm. Now what are the different factors which affects the resistance? There are 4 factors. First is length of the conductor. R depends on the length by this. R proportional to L. This is the proportional sign. So if length of the conductor will increase, then resistance will increase. If length of the conductor will decrease, then resistance will decrease. So length of the conductor R proportional to L. Resistance also depends on the cross sectional area of the conductor. R proportional to 1 upon A, or R inversely proportional to A, means if A is increasing, R decreasing, and if A is decreasing, R increasing. See here, this is not an area, this is a cross sectional area. Suppose there is a wire or conductor and you are cutting that conductor by that axis, by this axis. So this face, after cutting, the face of this wire or conductor is called cross sectional area. So resistance depends on cross sectional area by this equation, R inversely proportional to area or R directly proportional to 1 upon area, 1 upon cross sectional area. Resistance is also depends on the temperature and also depends on type of material used, which is called resistivity. So in today's class we will see these 2 topics, and in next class we will see temperature dependence or material dependence. So first, dependence of resistance on length L. So length of conducting wire increases, its resistance also increases. R proportional to L. अगर वायर की लेंथ इंक्रीज होगी तो उसका रेजिस्टेंस भी इंक्रीज होगा, और वायर की लेंथ अगर डिक्रीज होगी तो उसका रेजिस्टेंस भी डिक्रीज होगा. सो आर किस पे डिपेंड करता है? लेंथ पे, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस एंड लेंथ. सो जब भी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल की बात करते हैं तो ग्राफ क्या होता है? स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ. हियर इफ लेंथ इज 0 then resistance is 0. If length 1 meter, resistance is 1 ohm, just like you are increasing 2 meter 2 ohm. So according to this straight line you will get the graph, graph between the R and L. You will get the straight line because it is directly proportional, R proportional to L. Now second, dependence of resistance on cross sectional area, R proportional to 1 upon A. यहां पर R जो है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है 1 upon A के, बट इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया के. मीन्स इफ यू आर इंक्रीजिंग द एरिया, रेजिस्टेंस विल डिक्रीज. सो व्हेन यू आर इंक्रीजिंग द एरिया, if you are making the graph between R and A, then straight line but decreasing direction in this direction, not this direction, because you are increasing the area. आप एरिया बढ़ा रहे हैं और आपका रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो कम होता जा रहा है, तो ग्राफ कैसा बनेगा? ऐसा बनेगा. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट, R is directly proportional to 1 upon A. ए के तो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है तो ग्राफ ऐसा बना. 1 अपॉन ए के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है तो ग्राफ स्ट्रेट लाइन होगा. सी आर प्रोपोर्शनल टू 1 अपॉन ए, सो 1 अपॉन ए इज इंक्रीजिंग, रेजिस्टेंस इज आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. सो ग्राफ बिटवीन आर एंड 1 अपॉन ए. सो दिस इज द डिपेंडेंस ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस ऑन लेंथ एंड दिस इज द डिपेंडेंस ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस ऑन 1 अपॉन ए और cross sectional area. So we have seen R proportional to L. So we have first equation. Now second, R proportional to 1 upon A, second equation. Now combining these two equations, you will get R proportional to L upon A. Now when you will remove this proportionality sign, then you will get proportional constant. So R equals to, when you remove this proportional sign you will get a constant, R equal to rho. This is called rho. You will call this sign rho. L upon A. Yes, what is rho? Here rho is the proportionality constant. Because you are removing this proportional, then you are getting the constant. This is called proportionality constant, which is called resistivity. It's called resistivity. Now what is the unit of resistivity or rho? Say unit of R is ohm, resistance, and unit of length is meter, and unit of cross sectional area is meter square. So R is ohm, so you will put ohm equals to rho multiplied by length is meter and cross sectional area is meter square. So you will cancel this meter square meter, so you will get meter. Now meter will multiplied with ohm, so rho equals to ohm meter. Here rho equals to ohm meter. So SI unit of rho is ohm multiplied by meter, ohm meter. Understand? So rho is resistivity, and it is also called specific resistance of a conductor. Another name of the rho is specific resistance. Specific resistance of conductor. Now if you are applying, yes, suppose R equals to rho L upon A. Now if you are putting L equal to 1 meter and A equal to 1 meter square, then what you will get? R equal to rho 1 meter upon 1 meter square, then R 1 upon 1 1, so R equal to rho or rho equal to R. So what is the definition of the resistivity or specific resistance? So for the conductor which have 1 meter length and 1 meter square cross section area, then its resistance is called resistivity. 1 meter length of the conductor and 1 meter square of the cross sectional area, then its resistance is called the resistivity. Understand? This is the definition of the resistivity or specific resistance. So resistivity is the resistance of a wire or conductor of unit length and unit cross sectional area is called resistivity. So you are putting L equal to 1 meter, A equal to 1 meter square, then you will get R equal to rho. So this is called resistivity. So resistivity does not depend upon the length or cross sectional area. It only depends on the material of the conductor. It is the property of the conductor. It does not depend on the length and cross sectional area. So this is the whole definition. Now we will solve some numericals. See, there are two wires. These two are copper wires, length L, here also length L. So both wires have same length, but area will different. There is area A and there is area 2A. So area is double here. The resistance of this wire is 4 ohm. So now calculate the resistance of this wire. Okay, this is the question. So R equal to rho resistivity multiplication L upon A, and R is 4 ohm. So you will put 4 ohm here. So 4 equal to rho L upon A. Understand? Now here you want to calculate the new resistance. So R dash equal to rho L. Length is same but area is double. So 2 multiplication with A. R dash equal to rho L upon A multiply by 1 upon 2. You will separately take rho L upon A here and 1 upon 2 here. Now what is rho L upon A? Rho L upon A is 4. Now put this 4 here. 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2. 4 will divided with 2. So you will get 2 ohm answer. Now this question, a wire of length 10 centimeter has resistance 2 ohm. This is the, and if the wire is stretched to double its length, find new resistance. So resistance here 2 ohm, and if wire is stretched to double its length, so suppose this is length L and this is length 2L. When you are stretching the length of the wire, its area will decrease. Understand? इफ़ यू आर, अगर किसी वायर की लेंथ को आप इंक्रीज करेंगे तो उसका एरिया डेफिनेटली डिक्रीज होगा. तो अगर आप इसको डबल करेंगे लेंथ को तो एरिया भी क्या हो जाएगा, हाफ हो जाएगा. सो हियर रेजिस्टेंस इज 2 ओम. सो 2 इक्वल टू रो एल अपॉन ए. हियर रेजिस्टेंस इज ए अपॉन 2. बट हम इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी निकाल सकते हैं. कैसे? वॉल्यूम कंजर्वेशन लगा के. Volume conservation means volume of these two wire will be same. V1 equal to V2. So here volume equal to A multiplied by L. Area and length multiplication. If you are multiplied area and length, then you will get the volume. So A into L equal to A dash into L dash. Now what is L dash here? L dash is double length. So 2L. How you will get new calculate new area? L cancel. A dash equal to A upon 2. So if length is double, area will half. Now put the area here, A upon 2. Now 2 will move to numerator. So 2 into 2, 4. Rho L upon A. What is the value of rho L upon A? 2. Now put 2 here. 4 into 2, 8 ohm. 8 ohm is the answer.